MMM Adologist. Presentation by Kenneth Oladende. Branch 17, MMN Nigeria Graduate School. Context. The reason of MMN. MMN goals. Our MMN works beneficial of participants, Ivana bonus and gather bonus. MMN rules. MMM is a global community of financial and art and donation exchange. MMM is a community of ordinary people, selfless help each other. MMM is a social network that connects the one who want to donate money, PH, with the one who want to get money, GH. History of MMM. Russia by Beauty. Born in 1955. Mathematical and program. Start MMM corporate in 1989. Become a journal stock company in 1994. Became deputy of the Russia permanent. Arrest in 2003 and jail in 2007. Receiver of MMM in 2011. Sergeant Marvel, founders and leader of MMM. Our goals. Our goal is to create a fair financial system where money will no longer be an issue and to eradicate the war unjust financial system. The goal here is not the money, it is financial freedom. We help millions to make millions. Create a platform where there will be no need to go bank to borrow money to execute financial projects. How MMM works. MMM is a community of people who provide each other financial help on their principle to grant honest and reciprocate and benevolence. Marvel is internal current of MMM. It's what you buy when you pledge to donate, and we start growing from that moment and at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of rewards occurs twice a week, on Tuesday and Thursday. This one is Marvel show how much you can invest in yourself. Beneficiaries of participants. You provide help, receive 30% more per month for your donation. Registration bonus for every first donation. The participant receive a bonus in the amount of $20 if the donation is from 11,000 to 109,780 naira. $50 if donation is from 110,000 to 659,780 naira. $100 donation more than 660,000. Ivana's bonus 10% of PH. You get 10% from all donation of the participants you invite. Invite new member to this community is your additional contribution to its development, and the bonus is given on every new money. Bracket PH first PH minus GH bracket plus new PH S 0.10. Gathers bonus. Gathers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Just a manager can have a own leader whose rank is higher than N. Manager's bonus varies depend on the level you are in the discussion. Gather's bonus. Gather bonus 5% from the first level, 3% second level, 1% in the third level, 0.5% for fourth level, 0.25% in the fifth level, 0.1% in the sixth level, 0.05% in the seventh level, 0.03% in the eighth level, 0.01% the next level. MMM rules. Rule 1. Do not allow multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with one MMM account. Panic. All accounts will be permanent block. You be banned. Rule 2. Do not share email or bank details with other members. Panic. You will all be blocked from getting help until you give identified proof. MMM rules contacts. Rule 3. Do not delay in the paying for your order. Panic. You will be blocked. Rule 4. Do not edit your bank details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Panic. Your GH will be delayed for 14 days. MMM rules contact. Rule 5. Do not click on the "I refuse to make payment" button for more than once in a month. Panic. You will be blocked. Rule 6. Do not make deposits and fail to attach proof of payment. Panic. You will be blocked. MMM rules contacts. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payment. Panic. You will be blocked. Rule 8. Do not allow your family member to PH more than you if they have more than the amount you PH to donate. Let them do it to your PO or let them do register to your guidance link. Panic. You will be blocked. MMM's rules contacts. With 9. Always remember to write your letters of happiness after every GH withdrawal. Maximum days to write it after your GH in 3 days. Panic. You will be blocked. Rule 10. Enroll people just from their sake of bonus without educate and carry about them or enrolling them when they are not ready interest. Panic. Censure, moderator and consultants. Thanks. Together we change the